How to share your screen and give someone control on Windows. Need to help someone fix their computer or get remote assistance? In this video, I'll show you how to share your Windows screen and even give someone control of your PC using Quick Assist. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Quick Assist. First, click the Start menu, type Quick Assist, and open the app. Step 2. Choose an option. Once Quick Assist opens, you'll see two options. Help someone if you're providing support. Get help if you need assistance. Choose the option that matches your situation. Step 3. Sign in. If you're helping someone, sign in with your Microsoft account when prompted. Step 4. Share the security code. After signing in, Quick Assist will generate a 6-digit security code. Send this code to the other person. The code is valid for a limited time, so use it promptly. Step 5. Enter the security code. The other person should open Quick Assist, select Get Help, enter the 6-digit security code, and click Submit. Step 6. Allow screen sharing. The person receiving help will see a permission request. Click Allow or Accept to start sharing the screen. Step 7. Give control, optional. If you want the other person to control your computer, click Allow Control and approve the request. They can now move the mouse, type, and help solve the issue remotely. Step 8. End the session. When you're done, simply click Leave or End Session in Quick Assist. This immediately ends the remote connection. That's how you can safely share your screen and give someone remote control on a Windows PC using Quick Assist. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.